Taya's a very chatty dog. She likes to express her opinion. Taya! Come here, darling. Say hello. Say hello, Taya. She likes to talk to you. Don't you, darling? You're a good girl. Hello, how are you, darling? Some very wet dogs. Wally, very wet dog. Been playing in the sprinkler. Oh, the ball got lost under the bed. There you go. Molly's like, throw me the ball, throw me the ball. Is Elvis going to go for a swim? He likes his water. Is he going in? There he goes. In he goes. Elvis loves a swim. And he'll just lay in that water quite happily. 5 minutes after you fill it up, it's muddy. Georgie's like, but that's my pool. She's another one that's a bit of a water baby, as you can tell. She's a bit wet.
Where'd the ball go?
He's just in there swimming. Go on, Georgie, you can get in the water. Pebbles is, gets along pretty well with Georgie. Georgie just likes to bark at everybody.
Where'd the ball go?
Oh, we've apparently lost the ball. Disaster. There's more balls down here, Riley. They liked the white one, did they? Little Molly, she will play with the ball all day long. Georgie! Did they ruin your bath, Elvis? Throw a big throw for it. Make them work for it, Riles. Up the end.
Okay. They don't seem to like working for it, it seems.
No, apparently not. Sandy was just wandering by doing her own thing.